Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage number 35-009 key blank. This is a typical and standard conventional Everest key blank. Standard, it's an Everest key blank. It's their Everest. The evolution of the original, well, not original. Original is probably the wafer keys. The conventional obverse regular keys, the C keyway, the C through G, let's say. This is the 35009 Everest, but it's in a C family keyway, and this one in particular is the C125 keyway. And Everest in a C keyway is a non-protected key, a keyway, which would be something that you could use as a building owner, homeowner, whatever the case is, where you need to be able to duplicate the keys, but they are certainly going to be not as easily picked open, and they're not going to be as easily duplicated. They feature a side bit milling. And there is a link below this video to an overview of the Everest system as well, along with a chart of the different keyways that are available in Everest. Overview. The keyways and key sections in this Everest C family are named with C because of the marketing similarity to Schlage's non-restricted C keyway. There are 10 keyways and many multi-section keys in this multiplex family. What does that mean? So the chart down below that's called Overview will show you those 10 keyways in the bottom, and then the multi-sections that sit on top of there, and then in that entire tree or directory. The short version of why you would have all this that looks so confusing is just focus on the line at the bottom, the 10 on the bottom. Pick any of them. The C123, that's the most common one. Now, when you look at the C123, go two to the right, the C125. Okay, focus on those two. Now, you could use this sort of multiplex key system to your advantage by the following. You could have a C123. Let's say that you are a homeowner. Put the C123 on your garage door, something that someone needs to access, like maybe the landscaper. You could then put the C125 on the back door of your house, the side door, and the front door. Okay? The C125s, key those all alike. The C123, key that separately. You would then walk around with the C120 multi-section key, because that will allow you to take a key and enter the C123 garage and enter the C125 house doors. The advantage is that the landscaper's key, the C123 that you've given him and say, here you go, it won't even enter the cylinder of the C125, meaning of the house. That would be an advantage of why you might use those different keyways to your benefit. Anyway, poor example, I suppose, but nonetheless an accurate one. The C family keyways are sold where you do need easy local duplication, and that you can buy them in hardware distributors. Probably aren't going to find them at your big box hardware store. You can also order these key blanks with a do not duplicate sort of option. The 35-009 specifically means that it is a Everest key blank that has the standard front, the Schlage logo embossed there, a plain back. Okay. You could also order these as the do not duplicate. And there's also, to emphasize the availability of the different key blanks, would be the link below this video to the key blank quick reference guide. Meaning, if you did not want it to say Schlage, you could order the 35015, and that will give you plain on both sides. It would literally look generic. So what you're doing is decreasing the visual potential the potential for visual identification of the brand, even though the silhouette of that key blank, to me, is clearly Schlage. So those two documents are handy because it will allow you to review this key blank in comparison to the other options available. That quick reference guide gives you a lot more information than necessary, but nonetheless will help you see other options. The advantage of this sort of material is that this can be used with standard locksmithing equipment, and you don't get into really working on the side bit milling of this because it is standard and universal. Okay, I would imagine that Schlage has kind of migrated to the C-section Everest because of the everywhere nature of their classic keyways, their Schlage C keyway, with all of the other people who aren't Schlage who use it. Helping differentiate their system from others, they are going to naturally evolve their key blanks, and this is part of it. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Just trying to get the camera to focus on our key blank a little bit here. For you to be able to review that a little bit closer. If you have any questions on this or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.